The 24 SGUS tour also had a meet and greet with all the VIP ticket holders in our San Francisco leg. It was very touching to see that there were still lots of Filipinos who bought VIP tickets despite the recession in the United States. After that, we had a technical rehearsal for the first leg of the 24 SGUS tour 2013. First stop was San Francisco, California. Here's a peek of that leg.
Nagkaroon ng VIP night. Nag-dinner lang kami kasama yung mga sponsors at yung mga bumili ng tickets na to see the show.
We have the stars of the show. Sarah Geronimo, Mr. Mateo Budicelli, and John Santos.
Meet and greet ng mga fans ni Sarah and also sa press. Importanteng ma-cater natin din ang press kasi sila ang buhay ng showbiz. Kung walang press, walang magpo-promote sa kanila.
Hello everyone! Magandang gabi! At maraming salamat din. Hindi lang sa inyo, kundi sa aming mga hosts, sa aming mga producers, at sa mga kaibigan natin.
Oh my God! Talagang nakakabilib yung mga taong nagmamahal sa kanya kasi dumating ilang police car doon sa Union City sa meet and greet kasi nga ang daming tao sa labas.
Thank you very much po sa mga sponsors, sa inyo pong lahat.
So, alam mo naman dito sa US, every building has a fire code na may maximum occupancy lang, hindi pa pwedeng sobrang dami ng tao nandoon. Supposedly 180. Pero syempre, madaming tao talaga nagmamahal, so we cannot control that. Tapos, limited nga ang press namin that 3, newspaper company ay invite ko, but still, ang daming dumating.
Napanood ko siya sa TV, kakapanalo pa niya as a Star for Night. And then palagi siyang naging the Sharon Cuneta show. Since then, naging tagahanga na ako sa kanya.
Last na po ito, batch na to. Tapos na ito. Wala na po tayo, Kasi wala na.
Miss Para again. She's a good singer and she inspired me to sing. Well, it just is a start and I'm so high.
Boy Gigo.
Siyempre touching na moment yun na may makita kang bata na na-touch mo yung puso ng bata, na-inspire mo. So masarap sa pakiramdam, nakakataba ng puso na may ganong, kumbaga nabibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na makapagpasaya ng bata. So masarap sa pakiramdam.
Thank you very much.
Kasi Alison, sa mga promo namin, last promo na show. So, ready na kami. Papahinga na para interview tomorrow. Bye!
Welcome to San Francisco, California. We love you, Sarah!
We're here! Set up time. Siyempre maglalatag ng mga gown nila at mga wig. Siyempre yung mga naunang team charge ng sound, ilaw, at saka siyempre stage manager namin. FY nandiyan na.
Guys, we're in the Masonic Theater. It's showtime. It's show day, and we're gonna go inside, do sound sound check and stuff. And Sarah's here. Here, turn around.
Sa Masonic Theater, yun, nag-band rehearsals kami, ano lang, kasi nag-rehearsals na rin sa Manila, so nag-soundcheck lang. So okay naman, mabilis na soundcheck.
Matagal-tagal na rin siya hindi nag-concert sa US. She did a small casino trip last year, but it's not like yung kanyang ika-24-year-old celebration na napanood ko sa Manila. Mas mainam na ibadali namin sa US ang 24SG para din yung mga may gusto sa kanyang mga fan club niya, lahat ng yung Popster, FMS, everything could see her perform again. Hindi maaaring mawala siya sa mata ng tao dito sa mga TFC. This week is a Memorial Weekend. And normally, ang Memorial Weekend is the start ng mga vacation time, either sa mga bata, college. So, 3-day weekend yan, off ang mga tao ng Monday. So, kaya we decided to take Friday, Saturday na weekend. And kaso ang Friday, completely sold out itong Masonic for another venue. So we decided to put it on a Saturday. I believe in Sarah. She is a great entertainer. Bait, makakausap mo, hindi plastic. Kung ano nakikita mo, siya yun. There's nothing in between. Plus, nakita ko siya mula umpisa hanggang nag-mature siya. I cannot say matanda, hindi naman siya matanda, mature lang.
So far, everything was going smoothly and I enjoyed every part of it. This is the first part of my 24SG US tour for 2013. Don't forget to watch our next episode where we will feature my 24SG tour in San Francisco, California and Phoenix, Arizona. Abangan! That's it for now. Till my next entry. Much love, Sarah.